Hello, good evening, my dear students. Welcome to the class. Myself, Bhagyashree Joshi from Sankalp Learning Solutions. Yes, dear children, in the last class only we have started about the topic probability. Yes, and also we discussed about the probability. What do you mean by probability? And the terms related to probability. Yes or no? Do you remember? Yes. So probability ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮತ್ತೆ probabilityಗೆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ the last class only we have discussed. Yes or no? So today, yes, shall we recall that concepts once again? Okay. Yes. The terms related to probability is first one is experiment. Experiment means what? Whatever you are doing the experiment. So experiment andre ಏನು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ what you will do, that is experiment. If you toss a coin, that is also an experiment. Random experiment means what? See, in the random experiment, you know the outcomes, you know the result, but you don't know exactly what will come. Okay, so you don't know exactly what will come, but you know the result. Okay, if you toss one coin, you know either it may be head or tail, head adru barbodu or tail adru barbodu, but you don't know exactly whether it is a head or tail. Yes or no? That is random experiment. Event means what? Whatever the outcomes you will get, that you will call event. And the set of events is called as sample space, that we will denote by the letter yes. Okay. So remember, sample space that we are denoting by the letter yes. Sample space. Okay. Next, the total number of outcomes and the favorable outcomes. If you are tossing two coins, you are getting head, tail, head, tail, or tail, head. So these all are the possible outcomes. Okay. So if I ask uh, how many two heads are there in the sample space? If I ask how many means probability of getting two heads, then you can say that exactly what I am asking, the probability of getting two heads. Nan specify madidini that getting two heads. That means in one case only we are getting two heads. That means this we call it as a favorable outcomes. Right? Favorable outcomes. Total number of outcomes. So how many outcomes, how many results you are getting here? That is 4 results. Therefore, this is these results. This is called as now total number of outcomes. Then how can you find out the yes, some common terms related to probability: experiment, outcome, event. Next, the experimental or empirical probability of P of E of an event. E is the number of trials in which the event happened divided by total number of trials. Okay. Next, the theoretical probability of an event E written as P of E is defined as number of outcomes favorable to E divided by number of all possible outcomes of the experiment. That, in other words, you can write that number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. ಹೌದಾ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ? N of E. This I will call it as N of S, sorry, N of E divided by N of S. N of S is a sample space, N of E is a favorable outcomes. Okay, this is the formula to find out the probability. Okay, so next, and also we discussed about some examples and we solved some questions also. Yes. So do you remember? A bag contains lemon flavored candies only. So idana now solve madidvi. Okay. And also we solved. Okay. Up to this question we solved in the last class. That is a game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the number. Okay, then this problem we solved in the last class only. Today we will solve next problem. Okay, so what is next problem? 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. Okay, it is not possible to just wait. one second. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not it is defective. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is good one. Okay. So how many total pens are there? The number of defective pens are 12 defective pens are there. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 12 ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, 132 ಗುಡ್ ಪೆನ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ 132 ಗುಡ್ ಪೆನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಸೊ 132 ಪೆನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಎ ಪೆನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೆಲ್ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಒನ್ ಅಂತ. One pen is taken out randomly. So randomly means what? Without any intention or without looking into that box, if we take one pen out, that we call it as a randomly. If we take one pen randomly, then determine the probability that the pen taken out is good one anta kelidare. So number of defective pens is 12. Number of good pens, how many good pens are there? 132, right? Total number of pens. So total number of pen ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಆ ಲಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ we are mixing good pen and defective pens. Therefore 12 defective pens are there and 132 good pens are there. So total number of pens 132 plus 12 is 144 pens, right? Favorable number of events. So favorable number of events means determine the probability that the pen taken out is good one. Good one ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ? 132 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So 132 divided by total number of pens is 144. Okay. So now 2 sevens are 2 twos are 2 six are 2 six are 2 threes are 2 six are 2 threes are 2 threes are 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 11s are. So finally you will get 11 divided by 12. This is the probability of taking good one. Okay. So number of favorable outcome is 132. That we will call it as N of E divided by total number of pens is N of S. N of E, P of E is equal to N of E is 132 divided by N of S is 144. Okay. New formula ಬರ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Otherwise you can write directly. Okay. That is 132 divided by 144. So finally you will get 11 divided by 12. This is the probability of getting good one. Okay. Understood? Yes. Next. A box contains 90 discs. How many discs are there? 90 discs, which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears a 2-digit number, a perfect square number, a number divisible by 5. Okay. A box contains 90 discs. One box is there. This box contains 90 discs. ಎಷ್ಟು discs ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 90 discs ಇದೆ. Okay. So 1 to 90 ಇದೆ. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು randomly ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ, taken out from the box, then find the probability that it be a 2-digit number, perfect square number, and a number divisible by 5. Okay. The total number of discs ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? How many discs are there in the box? That is 90. Therefore, total number of discs is 90. That I will call it as N of S. Okay. The total number of favorable event. Favorable event means a two-digit number. So 1 to 90 ಅಂತಂದಾಗ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ಓಕೆ. ಈ 2-digit ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 10 ದಿಂದ 90 ವರೆಗೂ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 10 to 90, 90 ಮೈನಸ್, ಸೊ 10 ಗಿಂತ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 1-digit ನಂಬರ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ 10 to 90 ಅಂದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? -9 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 81, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ the total number of favorable events, that means 2-digit numbers, are 81. Therefore, this is N of E. Okay, I will call it as N of A. The total number of favorable events is 81, 90 minus 9, because below 10, the all numbers are one digit. Okay. Above 10, all numbers are two digit numbers are there. But we don't want one digit number. Only we want two digit number. For that, 90 minus 9 is 81. So this is the favorable event or favorable outcome. The probability that it bears a two-digit number, that is P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. Okay, this is the formula to find out the probability. N of A is the favorable outcome. N of A is the favorable outcome. Yes, so favorable outcome, or you can say it is a event. Favorable outcome divided by total number of event or outcome. So this is N of A, this is N of S. Okay, so we know the value of N of A, that is 81 divided by total number of events is 9. Therefore, this is the probability of getting two-digit number. So 9 ones are 0, 9 nines are 81. Therefore, you will get 9 divided by 10. Okay. So next, perfect square number. So perfect square number means from 1 to 90, how many numbers are of type perfect square number. So namge 1 to 90 antandaga, how many numbers you will get? How many perfect numbers you will get? 1 to 90. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? 1. 1 is a perfect square number. 1 square, 1. 2 square is 4. So 9. Next 16, 25, 5 square it is 36, 6 square, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81. Okay. So up to 90, then 90 is not a perfect square number. So we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 numbers. 9 numbers, we get that. These all numbers are of perfect square numbers. So if we authorize there, these all are perfect square numbers. How many numbers are there? Then 9 numbers are there. Therefore, this is the favorable outcome, favorable event. Okay. So this I will call it as N of B. N of B is equal to 9. Okay. Favorable number of events. That I will call it as N of B anta karitini. Okay. Probability of getting perfect square number. Formula is N of B divided by N of S. So N of B is 9 divided by N of S is 90. Total number of event is 90. How many discs are there in the box? That is 90. Therefore, it is a total number of event. 9 ones are 910. That means 1 divided by 10 you will get. This is the probability of getting perfect square number. Next, numbers which are divisible by 5. Okay. Yes, how many numbers you will get that all numbers are divisible by 5? That is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. All numbers are multiples of 5, right? 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. Yes, all these numbers are divisible by 5. How many numbers you will get then? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 numbers you will get. So this is the favorable outcome, favorable event. So this I will call it as N of C. So probability of getting a number divisible by numbers divisible by 5. That is N of C divided by N of S. N of C is 18. N of S is 90. So 9 ones are 0. 9 twos are 2 ones are 2 fives are. So finally you will get 1 divided by 5. 1 divided by 5 is the probability of getting number divisible by 5. Understood? Any doubt is there? If you have any doubt, then comment me in the comment section. Okay. So you are free to ask. If you have any doubt, then ask me, okay? Don't hesitate. Next, a game consists of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times, okay? And noting its outcome each time. Hanif wins if all the tosses give the same result, that is three heads and three tail, and loses otherwise. Calculate the probability that Hanif will lose the game. So Hanif ಒಂದು ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಬಾರಿ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟಾಸಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನೋಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹನೀಫ್ ವಿಲ್ ವಿನ್ ವೆನ್ the tosses give the same result. That means 3 head and 3 tail. When you get 3 head and 3 tail, then he will win. Otherwise, he will lose the game. 3 heads or 3 tail and loses otherwise. Calculate the probability that Hanif will lose the game. That means 3 heads ಮತ್ತೆ 3 tail ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then only he will lose the game. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Events that can happen in tossing 3 coins. How many events will happen? That we will see. See, 3 coins ಇದೆ. 3 coins ಅನ್ನ if you toss 3 coins at a time, chances are getting head. One chance ಇದೆ. 3 coin ಅಲ್ಲಿ head ಬರ್ಬೋದು. Next chance is 2 coins will give result head and another one is tail. Next, head, tail, head. Next chance, tail, head. Next chance, tail, head ಬರ್ಬೋದು. Head, tail. Next chance is tail, head, tail ಬರ್ಬೋದು. Next chance is tail. So these all are the outcomes. Okay, these all are the events that can happen after tossing 3 coins. Okay, so how many events are there? Means how many outcomes will come after tossing 3 coins? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 outcomes we will get. So this I will call it as n of s. So n of s is equal to 6. Hanif will lose the game if he get, see, if he get head, tail, then he will win the game. But what they asked is Hanif probability of ಲೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಗೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವನು ಗೇಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೋಲ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ when he get head, tail, head, head and tail, head, tail, head, head, tail. So in all these chances he will lose the game except head, tail ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ Hanif will lose the game, right? So favorable number of elementary events is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 events we got. That is n of yes. Okay, n of e I will call. N of e. So probability of losing the game is P of e is equal to n of e divided by n of s. Right, n of e is 6 divided by total outcomes is, this is number of favorable outcomes, this is number of total outcome. Favorable outcome is 6, total outcome is 8. So 2 3s are 2 4s are 3 divided by 4 you will get. So this is the probability of losing the game. Understood? Okay, next question. A child has a die whose 6 faces show the letters as given below. So one dice is actually the DICE it is or die. Already 6 faces ಇದೆ. So that face contain A, B, C, D, E and again it is A. So 6 faces ಅಲ್ಲಿ letters ಇದೆ. That letters are A, B, C, D, E, A. Okay. The die is thrown once. Once ಸರ್ತಿ throw ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ what is the probability of getting A and getting D? Okay, what is the probability of getting A and getting D? See, total number of events. How many events can happen? 6 spaces are there. That means total number of events is 6. This I will call it as n of s. Total number of faces having A on it. So how many faces it has? A, 1, 2. 2 faces. Okay, so 2. So the probability of getting A is 2 divided by 6. 2 divided by 6 means n of A is equal to 2. Total number of outcomes n of S is equal to 6. So probability of getting this, I will call it as A. Okay, getting A is n of A divided by n of S. So n of A is 2 divided by 6. So 2 ones are 2 threes are, you will get 1 divided by 3. This is the probability of getting A. Next, the total number of faces having D on it. How many faces having D? Only one, right? So 1. That means it is n of B. This is number of favorable outcome. Okay, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, that is called as favorable outcome. N of B is 1. Probability of getting A is N of B is equal to N of B divided by N of S. So N of B is 1 divided by N of S is 6. So number of probability of getting A is, sorry, it is not A, it is D. It is D is 1 divided by 6. Understood? Next, one card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color, a face card, a red face card. See, observe carefully. The jack of hearts, spades, the queen of diamond. Okay, have you seen the cards? ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ? ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ರಜೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ? ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್? Yes, so cards are like this. In one set of cards means in one set only, how many cards are there? See, my dear students, total number of cards are 52. ಎಷ್ಟಿರತ್ತೆ? ಒಂದು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 52 cards ಇರತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. Okay, 52 cards ಇರತ್ತೆ total number of cards. In that 52, again it has 4 sets. One set is clubs. One set is diamond, another set is heart, another set is spades. So club ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರಬಹುದು, ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಸ್. ಡೈಮಂಡ್, ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಹೇಗಿರತ್ತೆ? ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಹೀಗಿರತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? So diamond is like this. Next, heart. Heart means ಇದು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. This is heart. Okay. So heart. Yes. Now spades. Leaf ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Spades. So this is spades. Okay. Yes. So 4 types of cards ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. One type we call it as a clubs. So if you get this type of cards, then it is called as clubs. Then it is diamond, heart. Okay, heart. Next ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ spades. Yes. So in one set means in clubs, in one set of clubs, how many cards are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 cards are there. Right. So in one club, 13 cards are there. In one set of diamonds, how many cards are there? Here also 13 cards are there. See, 13 cards are there. 13 cards are there. So here also 13, here also 13. Next. So here you are observing 3 different cards. So ಇವೆಲ್ಲ number cards ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 different cards ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು different card ಇದೆ. So one card we call it as a jack. Next is queen, another one is king. So ಈ jack, queen and king. So these 3 cards are there in all 4 sets. Okay. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? These all 3 cards we call it as a face cards. ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? Face cards ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Okay. So how many face cards are there in one set? That is 3 cards. So in 4 sets, 3 into 4 is 12. So how many face cards are there in 52 cards? That is 12. Okay, or in 4 sets. 3 twos are, so 6, 6 twos are, 3, 3, 6, 6, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. Okay, so 4. Next. So, nimge number, have you observed the number? So these number is starts from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But 1 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ 1 ಇಲ್ಲ. So ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಗೆ ಎ ನಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So have you observed one card that is having a? Okay, so that card we call it as ಅದನ್ನ 1 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So ಅದನ್ನ A's ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Okay, so in one set of cards, in one set, one ace card is there. So in 4 sets, 4 ace cards is there. Okay, in one set ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ace card ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬಹುದು A ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ in 4 sets, how many ace cards are there? 4 ace cards are there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ace cards are there and 12 face cards are there. Okay, and in one set, 13 total number of cards are there. Okay, yes. So this is the basic information about the cards. Next, come to the question. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting king of red color. King of red color. A face card. Okay, first ನೋಡೋಣ king of red color. So have you observed ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ considering these two cards. That means diamond and hearts, it is having red color. So how many kings are there in these two sets? These two cards, 2 kings. ಹೌದಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು king ಬರುತ್ತೆ, sorry, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು king ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು king ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That means 2 kings are there in the red card. Therefore total number of cards is 52. This we will consider it as n of s, and number of king of red color is 2. Okay, therefore probability of getting king of red color is n of a divided by n of s. So n of a is 2 divided by 52. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 6 are, so 1 divided by 26 you will get. Next, number of face cards. Yes, just now only I told number of face cards. How many face cards are there in 52 cards? One full set ಅಲ್ಲಿ deck of cards ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ how many face cards are there? 12 cards, right? So total number of cards is 52. Face cards are 12 cards. So probability of getting face cards, that is, this we will call it as n of b. So p of b is equal to n of number of favorable outcome is n of b, number of total outcome is n of s. So n of b is 12 divided by 52. So 2 6 are 2 2s are 2 6 are. So 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 3 divided by 13 you will get. Next, number of red face cards. Red face cards. Okay, how many red face cards are there? So one set ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 face cards ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? 2 red color set ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 2 black color set ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So 2 red color set ಅಲ್ಲಿ how many face cards it has? 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 face cards ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. Therefore probability of getting red face cards. Okay, red face cards, that is 6 divided by 52. This is n of c, this is n of s. So n of c divided by n of s is 6 divided by 52. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 2 6 are 3 1s are 26. No, 3 divided by 26 will remain. Okay, numbers of jack of a heart. ಜಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ number of getting jack of a heart. So only one jack is there in the heart. See, observe carefully. Only one jack is there. Yes, so only one jack is there in the heart. Therefore 1 divided by 52. N of C, N of D divided by N of S. N of S is 52. N of C is total number of favorable outcome 1. 1 divided by 52. Number of king of a spade. Spade is here. King of a spade means, okay, this I think spade in fifth question, number of, not king, it is number of spade cards. Okay. Not king, it is only number of spades. How many cards are there? 13 cards are there. So that set we call it as a spade cards. So 13 divided by this, I will call it as N of E. N of E divided by N of S. Okay, N of E is 13 divided by 52. 13 ones are 13 fours are. So 1 divided by 4 you will get. See, if I ask king of a spade card. King of a spade card anta ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? King of a spade card means how many kings are there in the spade? Only one king. That means probability of getting king of a spade card is 1 divided by 52. Right? Number of queen of a diamonds. The queen of diamonds. Okay. How many queens are there in the diamond? Only one queen is there. So observe here. In diamond set, how many queen is there? Only one queen is there. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು queens ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So 1 divided by 52 you will get. 1 is a favorable outcome that I will call it as N of S. So N of F divided by N of S. New directly baribodu. You can write directly also. So N of S is 1. N of F is 1. N of S is 52. So 1 divided by 52 is the probability of getting king of a red color. Not it is red, not red color. It is diamond. King of a diamond. Red diamond color. Next. Understood? Have you understood? Okay. So next. A die is thrown twice. What is the probability that 5 will not come up either time? 5 will come up at least once. See, throwing a die twice and throwing 2 die simultaneously are treated as the same experiment. Okay. So one die is thrown twice. Okay. One day die na ನಾವು 2 ಸತಿ throw ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So ಅವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ what is the probability that 5 will not come up either time? Okay, total number of possibilities is 6 into 6 because one die is having 6 spaces. 2 die means it is 6 into 6, that is 36. You will get, so this is total number of outcome, that is N of yes. Possible outcomes, ಏನೇನ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು? 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 ಬರ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, but we are not writing 1 5. Why? Because here 5 will not come up either time. So ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ 5 ಬರಬಾರದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 5 we are not writing. 1 6. Next 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 5 2 4. Again we are not writing 5 directly 2 6. 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 and 3 6. 5 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 6. 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 and 6 6. Okay. Next. So how many possible outcomes you will get? See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 outcomes you will get. Okay. So now 5 ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಎರಡು ಥ್ರೋ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎರಡು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. So possibility of 5 will not come either time is 25. That we will call it as N of A. This is possible outcome, or you can say it is favorable outcome, favorable event, N of A. So required probability is P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. Okay, N of A is 25 divided by N of S means total number of outcomes. How many outcomes are there? 36. So you will get 25 divided by 36. Okay. Next, number of events when 5 comes at least once. At least once ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. 1 5 ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 5 ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 3 4 5 5 6 5. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ 1 2 3 4 5 6. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ 5 ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4. ಓಕೆ 5 5 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದೆ. ಸೊ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 5 5. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ how many outcomes you will get when 5 comes at least once ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸರ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಬರ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್ತಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ 11 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ 11 is n of b, favorable outcome. So probability is n of b divided by n of s. So n of b is 11 divided by 36. So in other words, in other way also we can do, that is 1 minus this is not come. ನಮ್ಗೆ 5 ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ 25 divided by 36. So 1 minus 25 divided by 36 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 36. Nothing is there means 1. So take LCM, that is 36. 36 minus 25 you will get. So there also you will get 11 divided by 36. Okay. So this is the number of events when 5 comes at least once. Okay. So next. Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. What is the probability that the fish taken out is a male fish? So, namge probability of getting male fish ana kelidare. Okay, so Gopi buy a fish from a shop for his aquarium. Means avanu ಒಂದು fish ana ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So, some fishes he has brought. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಶಾಪ್ಕೀಪರ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಒನ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಅಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ 5 ಮೇಲ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಅಂಡ್ 8 ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಫಿಶ್, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ 5 ಮೇಲ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ, ಸೊ 8 ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಇದೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ what is the probability that the fish taken out is male fish? Okay. So total number of fish, how many total number of fishes are there in the tank? That is 5 plus 8. 5 is male fish, 8 is female fish. That is 5 plus 8 is 13. So 13 fishes, total number of outcome is 13. So this is n of s. ಹೌದಾ. ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಿಶಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಮೇಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆಡ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಫಿಶಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 13. The number of male fish in the tank is 5. How many male fishes are there? 5. Okay, so that I will call it as n of a. The probability of taking out male fish, that is p of a is equal to n of a. N of a is a favorable outcome divided by total outcome, that is n of s. So n of a is 5, n of s is 13. So you will get 5 divided by 13. Yes. Have you understood? Any doubt is there? Okay. So next. A piggy bank contains 150 paisa coins, 50 rupees 1 coins. 1 minute. Yes. 20 rupees 2 coins and 10 rupees 5 coins. If it is equally likely that one of the coin will fall out when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin will be 50 paisa, will not be a 5 rupees coin? Okay. So ಒಂದು ಇದಿದೆ, ಏನಿದೆ, ಪಿಗ್ಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಪಿಗ್ಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ. ಆ ಪಿಗ್ಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 50 ಪೈಸಾ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ರುಪಿ 1 ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು 50 ಪೈಸಾ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ, 150 ಪೈಸಾ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. that piggy box it contains ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 50 ಪೈಸಾ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ 100 ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 50 Wait, mm, wait for a minute. Yes, 1 rupee coin ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 50. 1 rupee 50. Next 20 rupee 2 ಇದೆ 2 rupees 20. 10 rupees 5 coins. So 5 rupees RS 20. So 10 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ 10. Okay. If it is like equally likely that one of the coin will fall out when the bank is turned upside. So ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. What is the probability that a coin will be a 50 paisa coin or will not be a 5 rupees? Total number of coins in a piggy bank, that is 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10. That is 150, 170, 180, right? 180 is the total number of coins in a piggy box. This we considered it as a n of s. Number of 50 paisa coins. Okay, how many 50 paisa coins are there in the piggy box? That is 100. Okay, so this is n of a. That is favorable outcome. Number of 5 rupees coins is 10. How many 5 rupees coins are there? Only 10. Okay, so 50 coins ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 100 ಇದೆ. 5 coins ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 10 ಇದೆ. The probability of getting 5 rupees, that is P of A is equal to, now we are calculating 5 rupees. So 5 rupees, not it is 5 rupees, it is 50 paisa. 50 paisa. Okay, so P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. So N of A is 100 divided by total number of coins is 180. So 0, 0, 2 5s are 2 9s are. So you will get 5 divided by 9. This is the probability of getting 50 paisa coin. Next, probability of it will not be a RS 5 rupee coin. Then how can you calculate not be ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 5 rupee coin ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ n of b. We considered it as n of b. So that is 10. Not b ಅಂತಂದಾಗ 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 rupees ಇರದೇ ಇರುವಂತಹ ನಾಣ್ಯಗಳು ಅಂತಂದಾಗ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ n of b. Yes. So 1 minus P of P. That is N of B divided by N of S. P of B, how can you calculate P of B? P of B is equal to favorable outcome divided by total number of outcomes. So N of B is 10 divided by 180. 0, 0, 1 divided by 18 you will get. Okay. 1 minus 1 divided by 18. So take LCM. 18 is the LCM. So 18 minus 1, that is 17 divided by 18. You will get, this is the probability of not be a 5 rupees. Okay. 5 rupee coin. 1 minus P of B ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. P of B means what? It is the probability of getting 5 rupee coin. ಹೌದಾ? Not B ಅಂತಂದಾಗ 1 minus probability of getting 5 rupee. ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ not getting 5 rupee coin ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, understood? Yes. So next, a letter of English alphabet is chosen at random. So this question was asked in 2015. Okay, determine the probability that a chosen letter is a consonant. Okay, so solution, total number of English alphabets. How many alphabets are there in the English? Yes. So ಎಷ್ಟು alphabets ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Yes, miss, we know 26 alphabets are there from A to Z. Okay, so 26 alphabets are there. The number of consonants in that 26, number of consonants are 21, number of vowels are 5. So total it will be 26. This is consonants. Yes, this is vowels. Okay, so now what they ask, determine the probability that a chosen letter is a consonant. Okay, so number of consonant is 21, total number is 26. So this is N of A, this is N of S. So P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. So total, this is favorable outcome, this is total number of outcome, that is 21 consonants are there. total number of alphabets 26. So this is the probability of letter P is a probability of a letter is a consonant. Okay. Next, a number is chosen at random from the numbers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, what will be the probability that square of this number is less than or equal to 1? Observe carefully. A number is chosen at random from the number -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are the numbers. What will be the probability that square of this number is less than or equal to 1? Less than or equal to 1. Now, so avag naven martivi square martivi. What will be the probability that square of this number? That means we are squaring all these numbers. -3 square, that is -3 into -3. You will get -3 into -3, 3 3 is a 9, minus into minus plus. Next, -2 whole square, that is -2 into -2. You will get 2 2 is a 4, minus into minus plus. Next, -1 whole square, you will get 1 only. Next, 0, 0 whole square is 0. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 2 into 2 is 4. 3 square is 3 into 3 is 9. Okay. So what they have asked, probability that the square of this number is less than or equal to 1. Less than or equal to 1. 1 kinta jasti alla, more than 1 is not possible. So less than 1 or equal to. 1 kinta kadime ellide. So observe carefully. In one case, so I will change the color. Yes. So 1, 2, 3. In only 3 cases it is possible. So this is 9. It is greater than 1. This is also greater than 1, and it is also greater than 1. It is also greater than 1. Means in only 3 cases it is less than or equal to 1. 0 is less than 1 and 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, the number of favorable outcomes, or you can say the number of favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes is 3. Therefore, probability of square of this number is less than or equal to 1. Okay, so this I will call it as n of A, or you can say it as n of E also. So total number of outcomes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n of total number of outcomes. Total number of events is 7. Right? So P of E is equal to n of E divided by n of S. So n of E is 3 divided by total number of outcome is 7. Therefore, you will get 3 divided by 7. This is the probability of the number less than or equal to 0. Okay, sorry, 1. Next. If two different dice are rolled together, calculate the probability of getting an even number on both dice. So, namge ಏನು ಬೇಕು? Probability of getting an even number on both the dice. So, if you are throwing or you are rolling 2 dice, then you will get 36 result, right? 6 in one case, 6 in another dice. So, that is 6 into 6, that is 36. So, this is total number of outcomes, that is n of S. Okay. Even numbers on both the dice can be obtained as. ಎಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ even numbers ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Observe carefully. 2 to ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ 36 ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ we will get 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So in that case, 1 is not a even number. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದು ಒಂದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, and 1, 6. So 1 is not a even number. Therefore, we are not writing this outcome. Okay, so we will write 2, 2. 2, 1 is also a 2, 1 is also not a even number. So 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. Next, 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 6, 6, 2, 6, 4, and 6, 6. Yes, how many outcomes you will get? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 outcomes you will get. So this is a favorable outcomes. Right? So these all are the favorable outcomes. That we will call it as N of E. So total number of outcomes is N of S, that is 36. Next, probability of getting even number on both the dias, that is P of E is equal to N of E divided by N of S. So N of E is 9 divided by total number is 36. So you will get 9 divided by 36. It is the probability of getting even number on both the dias. Okay. So next, 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of getting exactly 2 heads. Exactly 2 heads means, see, if you are tossing 3 coins simultaneously, then you will get head, 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 tail, or head, tail, head, and tail, head, head, tail, tail, head, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, 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 tail. So these all are the result you will get. These all are the outcomes or events you will get. So how many outcomes you will get? See, observe here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 outcomes I will get. So I will call it as N of S. So this is total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes, right? Next. Probability of finding, getting exactly 2 heads. Exactly 2 heads andre ellide namge? 1, 2, 3. Here also 2 heads are there. Here also 2 heads are there. Here also 2 heads are there. Right? Mattelladru idena? Here 1 head is there, 1 is there, 1 is there. So here 3 heads are there. So exactly 2 means how many 2 heads are there here? That is 3. 3 is N of E. It is favorable outcome. Therefore, probability of getting exactly 2 heads is P of E is equal to N of E divided by N of S. So N of E is 8 divided by, 3 divided by 8. Okay. Understood? Next. 3 distinct coins are tossed together. Find the probability of getting at least 2 head, at most 2 head. So the total number of possible outcomes. See here, 3 distinct coins are tossing together. So ಒಂದೇ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ 3 coins ಅನ್ನ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Then whatever the result you will get, that is total number of events. Total number of possible outcomes are, wait, 1, 2, head, it is tail, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 outcomes you will get. So total number of outcomes is 8. Okay, 8 you will get. So this is N of S. Next, possible outcomes of at least 2 head. At least 2 head ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ 2 heads ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. At least 2 head. ಹೌದಾ? At least ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 2 heads ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ 2, 1 ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ, 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ, 3 ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 2 head ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ 2 heads ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ possible outcomes you will get? That is 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 outcomes you will get. So at least 2 head means 4 divided by 8. 4 ones are 4, 2s are. This is N of E. This is n of s. Okay. So n of e is 4. N of s is total number of outcome 8. So 1 divided by 2 you will get. Possible outcomes of at most 2 head. At most 2 head ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. 2 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೂ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. 2 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಅಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್, ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 2 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡೋಣ ಯಾವ್ದಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಟಿ 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 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. ಓಕೆ, at most. Okay, 7 divided by 8 you will get. Okay, at most 2 heads. So 7 divided by 8. Total number of outcomes, favorable number of outcomes. Next, a ticket is drawn at random from a bag containing tickets number from 1 to 40. Find the probability that the selected ticket has a number which is a multiple of 5. Yes. ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟಿಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿದೆ 1 to 40 ಇದೆ. Find the probability that the selected, now whichever we taken the ticket from the bag, that has a number which is multiple of 5 idena anta nodana. So total number of tickets is 40. How many tickets are there in the box? That is 1 to 40 means 40. A multiple of 5, 1 to 40 alli how many numbers you will get, that how many multiple of 5, how many multiple of 5 numbers you will get. Multiple of 5 eshtiದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 5 10 15 20 25. Next 30 35 40 you will get. So 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 numbers you will get. So eventa numbers, these all numbers are divisible by 5, that is multiples of 5. So 8 tickets. 8 is favorable outcome, n of e. So total number of outcome is 40, that is n of s. So probability of getting multiple of 5, P of E is equal to n of E divided by n of S. So n of E is 8, n of S is 40. 8 ones are 8 5s are. So you will get 1 divided by 5. This is the probability of getting multiple of 5. Understood? Yes, my dear students. So up to this, whatever we discussed, so these all are about the probability. So how to find out the probability of a given condition? ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸ್, ಕಾಲ್ ದಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ as n of s. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, that we can call it as a n of a, n of b, n of c ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ. So total number of favorable, so number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get probability of p of. So simple ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So this topic is interesting and also it is simple. I hope all of you understood very well. Okay, shall we stop today's session? Yes, my dear students. So study well. Okay. Exam ಇನ್ನು ದೂರ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. So we are in the December. We are in the month of December. So we are not having so much time to study. So study well. All the very best. Thank you. Thank you so much.